Hello everyone, and welcome to today's session on JDK, JRE, and JVM. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with my latest programming tutorials. In this video, we'll understand the key components of the Java platform that make it so powerful and platform independent. Java is a widely used object-oriented programming language known for its platform independence. One of the biggest strengths of Java is the WRA concept. Write once, run anywhere. This is made possible through three main components. 1. JDK, Java Development Kit. 2. JRE, Java Runtime Environment. 3. JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Let's explore each of them in detail. Let's start with the JVM. The Java Virtual Machine. JVM is the engine that runs Java bytecode on any platform. It converts the bytecode, which is platform independent, into machine code that the host operating system can understand. It also takes care of crucial tasks like memory management, garbage collection, and exception handling. The JVM ensures that Java programs run the same way, regardless of the underlying system. Some key features of the JVM include platform-independent execution, automatic memory management using garbage collector, security features like sandboxing and bytecode verification, built-in exception handling, and support for just-in-time or JIT compilation, which improves performance by converting bytecode to native code at runtime. Now moving on to the JRE, the Java Runtime Environment. JRE is what allows us to run Java applications. It includes the JVM and a set of libraries and supporting files required to execute Java programs. However, JRE does not include tools to develop Java applications, like compilers or debuggers. So, if you only want to run Java programs, JRE is sufficient. Next is the JDK, the Java Development Kit. This is the complete package for Java development. It includes everything in the JRE, that is, the JVM and runtime libraries, plus development tools like the Java compiler, JVM, debugger, documentation tools, and more. So, if you're a Java developer, you must install the JDK to write, compile, and run Java applications. Let's compare all three components to get a clear understanding. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. It's used to develop and run Java applications. JRE is the Java Runtime Environment, used to run Java apps. JVM is the Java Virtual Machine, used to execute bytecode. While the JVM is the engine, JRE is the runtime package, and JDK is the full toolkit including both. Here's how everything works together in the Java environment. You write your Java code in a .java file. That source code is compiled by the JVM compiler into class files, which contain bytecode. This bytecode is then executed by the JVM, which runs inside the JRE. So to develop Java programs, you need the JDK. To run them, the JRE is enough. And at the heart of it all is the JVM. Let's understand these concepts with a fun real-life analogy. Think of JDK as a full kitchen, with all ingredients and cooking tools. JRE is like getting a meal kit. It has ingredients ready to be cooked. And JVM is the chef who does the cooking. You need all three to go from raw ingredients to a finished meal. Or in our case, from source code to running software. To conclude, JVM runs your Java code. JRE provides the environment for execution. JDK is the development kit used to write, compile, and run Java code. Understanding these three components is essential for every Java developer. Remember, JDK contains JRE and JRE contains JVM. JDK includes everything. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more technical tutorials. Subscribe to our channel to increase your knowledge with the knowledge base. Thank you.